Hey guys, welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to one of our favorite gallery making tools, the Mystic widget by Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Mystic has a cool gallery interface coupled with a soothing picture animation that zooms out images on hover while displaying the hidden content inside. The widget is designed to create informative and stylish image galleries where a pop-up animation is a user attraction point. On the screen, you can see a planetarium info gallery made with the Mystic widget, and you'll be able to feel how distinctive it looks. Alright, let me take you to the backend to show you the customizations required to make such an interface with the Mystic Gallery widget. Here, the widget has already been dropped to the page editor. The first option on your left lets you edit the number of grid template columns, or you can say the framework behind the grid gallery. There are row gap, column gap, and item height options for customizing the space in between and the height of all image items. Let's adjust the height according to our needed canvas size. There is a masonry switcher below for turning the gallery into masonry. The two switchers at the bottom control the visibility of the title and meta text on the gallery widget. The alignment option is for the texts. You can customize the image dimension for the whole gallery item from this single option here. Then click on the link option and select media file or custom in case you want to activate the link function for the gallery items. Then go to the item section where all gallery items are listed. Click on the first item box and then click on the image field and choose an image from the media library or upload new. You can see the first item being changed in terms of image. That's how you do it for every gallery item. Then you can change the title text to match your subject, then the meta text and the custom URL. Repeat the steps for the rest of the items to complete. Now you can further customize the shape of the gallery from individual item settings. Just click on the second item box, switch to the grid subsection and increase the column span to 8 and the row span to 2. Now change the height to fit the image inside the double row space. With this, the layout will become more unique and appealing. Now let's switch to the Style tab for further customizations to the gallery appearance. First, change the background color from gradient to monotone and pick a suitable color. On hover, the background will be visible while the image shrinks down quite a bit. Then we can reduce the corner curves of the images by adjusting the border radius field. Here, 0 means sharp corners. Then switch to the content section and set its background color to something deep and matching. See how the texts are barely visible now? We'll get on that part soon. Here too, apply a small border radius to curve the edges. Then customize the padding to adjust the background field area. Then you can switch to the image section and apply border radius directly to the image. Same values as the backgrounds. Now go to the title section and make the text white. Then go to the typography option and then change the font family, size and weight as much as you like. Do the same for the meta texts, both text color and font settings. Once you're done with that, you'll end up with a nice looking gallery interface that we showed earlier in this video. As you can see, it takes just 5 minutes to reach this result with the Mystic Gallery widget. Thanks for enjoying this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to get more widget tutorial updates in the future. Stay safe and see you next time.